Hello traders, today is Monday, November 20th, getting ready for all the Black Friday deals, so it's exciting. We also have a version 4 of the AutoPilot, so for those of you who have the lifetime licenses or yearly licenses, you can upgrade. It'll be available shortly on your member accounts. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. This video is about 4 or 5 minutes long. We're going to cover a little bit on the AutoPilot trading system and explain to you on how the trailing stops work, as well as the importance of using these features in an automatic trading system. And now in addition, we also have winning trades and losing trades. So really the goal, if you're looking at a losing trade, is cutting off the trade, the loser, as fast as possible. So we have 2 losing trades that have happened just earlier, and we have it set to 2 candles that are closing opposite where we entered, or as a losing opportunity, it'll close the position. So in the prior 2 trades, the exits were based off that function. 2 bars in a loss, close the position. So we're not really waiting and looking for a hard stop or any other type of stop except for the 2 bars in a loss as an opportunity to get out sooner rather than later. So what we have now is a trade that has a really large profit target, which is going to absorb any of those small losses that you see there, those 2 previous losses. And in addition, we have a maximum profit for the day, which is $500, and a maximum loss for the day. So when the trade has these little losers, it's acceptable. We have to understand that the market is going to give us some losing trades, but we have to make them as small as possible. So there are a couple of exits that we use, which is, again, the 2 bars in a loss or 3 bars in a loss, the hard stop, the trailing stop, and so on. So now we have currently a trade that is going to continue, hopefully up to that point, or if it hits the maximum target for the day, or the profit for the day, which I have it set to $500, it will automatically close out the position, stop trading, and we're finished. So for today, I have $500 on 1 contract on the E-mini S&P. My goal is to achieve the $500. And we have the trailing stop that's behind us. So if it doesn't make the $500, it turns around or reverses on us, I'm still protected using the trailing stop. Now, in addition, if we wanted to close out this position right now, let's say you're watching it and you're saying, you know what, this is enough for me for the moment, for today, you can go ahead and close the position at any time. You can move the limit order, you can move the stop to force the current position to close. You can always do that as well. So even though the AutoPilot trading system is hands-free, it's automated, you're still in control. You can absolutely close these positions at any time. Now, we include the AutoPilot trading system with mentorship, so if you are interested in getting the entire bundle or package, it's discounted with all of our software, including this AutoPilot trading system. Now, if you're just interested in the AutoPilot trading system, we offer it as a recurring monthly or yearly. Now, in addition, we do have live streams. So if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe now. Also hit that bell notification so you know when we have the live streams. Every morning we teach, we answer questions. It's a live stream, so it's interactive, so you actually get to learn as we're watching the charts. Now, as this continues to go higher, you can see that it's hit the $500 and then it stops. It says daily profit limit reached, which means that at this point in time, in order to restart the system, we have to go and activate it once again. But my conclusion when it comes to day trading, if you've made your money and your profit for the day, there's no reason for us to continue trading. Because remember, every time we enter into the market, we're subjecting ourselves into some type of risk. So for me, if it's early in the day, maybe I'll get back into it. But right now it's about 1:30 in the afternoon, New York time, and we should now start winding down. If you have any questions, visit Daytradetowin.com. This is the AutoPilot trading system, and I'll see everyone at the next video. And happy Black Friday discounts to everybody. Click on the links below in the video description to learn more about the AutoPilot trading system and our other software. If you're new to day trading and you want to actually learn about price action, visit Daytradetowin.com. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to get notified when we have new videos and the live stream. Until next time, good trading.